Let's dive deeper into the action with our markets reporters. Abigail, what are you watching?
Well, Caroline, I'm certainly thinking about the S&P 500 because if you had gone to the beach for a week and then you came back about an hour ago, you would have been literally flat over that time period, now down about 0.5%. But look at all the action, the roller coaster that we've all been talking about, the momentous trading activity, the uncertainty, and that has put the S&P 500 back below the 50-day moving average. We checked in on this chart yesterday. It was above it. Now it's back below it. That's very fitting to what happened during the volatility of last year, where there's a long period of wrestling with that 50-day moving average, telling you the near-term buyers do not have a lot of conviction, the sellers perhaps more. Truly no conviction in the fourth quarter of last year. In May and June, we see that the S&P 500 really breached that 50-day in a pretty bearish way. Right now, back below it, suggesting, Mike, that there could be more selling for stocks to come next week.
Well, thanks, Abigail. Well, for all the talk about a strong dollar this week, it certainly does not apply when it comes to the dollar versus the Japanese yen. The yen today rising as much as 0.8% to 105.27 against the dollar. That's actually the strongest level since January 3rd. It's up against 14 of 16 major pairs today, up against all 24 emerging market currencies. Very much a haven story as trade tensions obviously escalate this week. And President Trump today saying talks with China in September may not occur. I was talking to our guy, Vince Signorella, there about it, and he said it's blown through so many technical levels that it's hard to say where this rally will actually end. But he's got his eye on 104.94, which is the third standard deviation from the trailing 12-month average, Caroline.